Welcome to Craft Catalog. Imagine furniture that does more than simply occupy space. Imagine furniture that adapts to your lifestyle, solves everyday problems, and still feels warm, natural, and timeless. Today we are exploring 20 innovative wooden furniture ideas that are redefining modern living and changing the way people think about their homes. Modern life looks very different than it did just a few decades ago. Homes are getting smaller, people are working from home more often, and flexibility has become essential. As a result, wooden furniture is evolving. Innovation is no longer about decoration alone. It is about function, efficiency, and smart design. One of the most powerful innovations is modular wooden furniture. Modular systems use individual wooden units that can be rearranged into different forms. A single set of components can become a bookshelf, a desk, a seating area, or even a room divider. This flexibility makes modular furniture ideal for apartments, studios, and changing lifestyles. Hidden storage furniture is another idea reshaping modern interiors. Benches with lift-up lids, beds with concealed drawers, and coffee tables with secret compartments help people stay organized without cluttering their space. These designs are especially valuable in small homes where storage is limited, yet visual simplicity is important. Foldable and transforming furniture takes innovation even further. A wall-mounted desk that folds into a decorative panel, or a dining table that collapses into a slim console, allows one room to serve multiple purposes. Wooden materials soften these mechanical movements, making them feel natural rather than industrial. Live-edge furniture continues to redefine how people connect with wood. By preserving the natural edge of the tree, each piece becomes unique. Live-edge tables, shelves, and headboards highlight imperfections, grain patterns, and natural shapes that mass-produced furniture cannot replicate. These pieces often feel more personal and premium. Floating wooden furniture changes how spaces feel visually. Wall-mounted desks, shelves, and nightstands with hidden brackets create the illusion that furniture is suspended in the air. This makes rooms feel lighter, cleaner, and more open, especially in modern and minimalist homes. Multifunctional furniture is now essential for modern living. A bookshelf that doubles as a workspace, a bench that converts into a table, or a bed frame with integrated storage reduces the need for multiple pieces. These designs are practical, cost-effective, and highly appealing to people who value efficiency. Scandinavian-inspired wooden furniture redefines innovation through simplicity. Light wood tones, clean lines, and functional forms create calm environments. Instead of adding complexity, these designs focus on balance, comfort, and usability, making them timeless rather than trendy. Technology is quietly entering wooden furniture as well. Desks with hidden cable channels, built-in power outlets, wireless charging, and subtle LED lighting combine modern convenience with traditional craftsmanship. The goal is to enhance function without allowing technology to dominate the design. Upcycled and reclaimed wood furniture represents innovation through sustainability. Old pallets, doors, beams, and flooring are transformed into new furniture with character and history. These pieces appeal to people who care about the environment and appreciate materials with a story. Japanese-inspired joinery furniture highlights skill and precision. Traditional joints replace screws and nails, creating strong connections that are also visually beautiful. This approach turns structure into decoration and celebrates craftsmanship rather than hiding it. Space-saving corner furniture addresses areas that are often ignored. Custom corner desks, shelves, and cabinets turn unused corners into functional zones. These designs are especially valuable in small homes, home offices, and studios. The combination of wood and metal accents creates a modern industrial aesthetic. Black steel frames, brass details, and pipe structures paired with wood add contrast and strength. This style is popular in lofts, workshops, and creative spaces. Adjustable wooden furniture introduces long-term flexibility. Height-adjustable desks, expandable dining tables, and movable shelving systems allow furniture to grow and change with its users. This adaptability adds value and extends the life of each piece. Curved and bentwood furniture brings organic movement into interiors. Steam-bent and laminated wood creates flowing shapes in chairs, stools, and loungers. These forms soften spaces and feel both modern and natural at the same time. Outdoor wooden furniture is also being redefined. Weather-resistant designs now look refined enough for indoor use. Teak lounges, cedar benches, and treated hardwood tables blur the boundary between indoor and outdoor living. Furniture designed for children has become smarter and more adaptable. Growth-adjustable desks and beds change as children grow, reducing waste and saving money. Solid wood construction ensures durability and safety over many years. Artistic carving details add personality to modern furniture. Subtle textures, patterns, and relief carvings introduce warmth and craftsmanship without overwhelming the design. These details make pieces feel handmade and unique. Flat-pack wooden furniture has evolved beyond simple assembly. Innovative joinery allows pieces to be shipped efficiently and assembled easily while maintaining strength and beauty. This makes wooden furniture more accessible to global markets. Hybrid furniture for work-from-home lifestyles combines desks, storage, and shelving into compact systems. These designs support productivity without taking over living spaces, which is increasingly important in modern homes. Statement furniture made from a single slab or dominant piece of wood creates strong visual impact. These pieces act as focal points and showcase the raw strength and beauty of natural materials. What truly redefines modern living is not just how furniture looks, but how it works. Innovative wooden furniture responds to real needs, adapts to changing lifestyles, and brings warmth into modern environments. When thoughtful design meets skilled craftsmanship, furniture becomes more than an object. It becomes part of daily life, shaping how people live, work, and relax. If you enjoy exploring innovative wooden furniture ideas and want more inspiration for design, woodworking, and creative living, subscribe to Craft Catalog and stay inspired.